So we will try it.
We will try it in Oeiras. What you eating?
Your French fries.
It's not a snack bar, it's the Michelin restaurant.
Prato do dia.
Prato do dia. It was really bad idea. And no cafes, no restaurant. Take a listen. One, two, three. There is some airplane show, I think, in Oeiras today.
Yeah,
I see some
probably.
planes. But okay. Hello, guys, in this beautiful day.
Olá, todos.
As you heard before, we are in Oeiras. We are looking for authentic Portuguese cuisine place.
Prato do dia.
Prato do dia.
Sim.
Cheap and tasty.
Yeah.
We're lost.
So lost.
We just found residential buildings and no cafes, no restaurants. Take a listen.
Nothing.
Don't sound like middle of the lunch. We found Horta Urbana do Moinho das Antas. Dash. It looks like little gardens of apartment inhabitants. But this definitely don't look like eating place. Where are we?
Yeah. Check the Google Maps.
Living here already for a couple of years. Grapes? Oh, this is old grapes.
Oh.
I still gotta try one. Whoa, it's so dry. There's nothing. No juice, no nothing. So inhabitants of Rua Mateus Fernandes. Why it's so quiet here? Where is the cafes? Where we should eat? If somebody says that Lisbon district is very chaotic and busy with people, I could see myself living here if the prices go down. Avenida Carlos Silva.
Silva,
That's the most popular name in Portugal. Is there anybody watching Carlos Silva? Amigo, ciao. We found some movement. I think we're just going to this cafe first and then we think what else. So this is Dom Café.
Yeah.
And for those who told that we need to go try Alheira in Mirandela, original one, they have original Alheira here.
So we will try it.
We will try it in Oeiras. This is the place. If you don't want to spend time on the road, you can come here to Oeiras. And second dish we ordered entrecosto. No, not entrecosto, entremeada, which is pork belly.
And liver.
And liver of pork.
Yeah, that's
What's
for
the
me.
Iscas
It's just
de Cebolada, something like that.
Cebolada, something like that. With the onions, but I ordered without onions because I don't like onions.
You ordered without onions?
Yes.
You just took best part out of?
Sorry, please.
liver.
How
That's
it is
the-
in Portuguese?
In Portuguese, Iscas de Cebolada, but
Iscas de Cebolada.
right, without the onions.
Yeah.
I actually
He was
hate
already
that
trying
she
to call
canceled onions.
Yeah,
with
he
boiled
liked.
potatoes, it's really good.
Yeah.
So the
Alheira.
Alheira de Mirandela, 100%. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
With
Original.
also French fries, white rice, and a fried egg. And here we have the Entremeada with fried potatoes and also white rice.
That's my
Okay.
favorite in Portugal.
I will take this one. I like
Sure.
The onions are cooked or fresh?
It's also cooked.
You still have the onions or no?
Do you have
in the
onions?
kitchen?
Yeah, I can
Yeah?
get some.
Can you bring separate?
Sure.
Perfect.
I'll get it.
We will enjoy this.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Alheira.
What kind of?
This is original. This is original. You can smell it's
You
original.
See this one?
Yeah, that's like, I think, originality.
Yeah.
It was hooked somewhere like this. Entremeada, pork belly. It's good in Latvia. It's good in Portugal. It's good in Belgium. It's good in olives. Perfetto. And liver of the pork. Can I try? I'm very hungry.
Don't eat. Don't steal my food.
Wow,
It's good.
it's really good.
Seriously.
This is the first time I try pork liver with vinegar,
Oh yeah.
and it's excellent. If there would be onion, what you canceled.
But
This
they are
one-
onion. They are coming. They are coming. Wait.
This is good. Piri piri.
Yeah, the most normal one.
Yeah.
This is for the strongest one.
Okay.
That's why we call it II.
It's
Yeah,
painful. Yeah.
This one, it's really strong, but it's really nice.
Yeah. This is with azeite.
Yeah, as
This one is not nice.
Nah, I don't like it. And this one is my favorite. It's with jalapeno,
Oh,
but it's also like
that's new.
We haven't tried
Yeah.
it. Yes.
We are here like couple of years. I never seen with jalapeno like this.
it's really
Yeah.
We will try that one.
Okay,
Thank you.
I'll get the onions. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. No.
What you eating?
Your French fries.
That's not French fries.
Belgium.
Oh, nice. This is what was missing here.
Yeah, actually, I said I don't want, but it's missing.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's the point.
Yeah.
So it's pork liver with onions. This is dash the dash with onions.
Thank you.
Final, I know. Also, salt if you guys need for the food.
Oh yes, thank you.
Okay. This is with vinegar.
A bit.
Yeah, a bit.
Yeah.
I feel. Yeah.
This is with vinegar.
Yep.
Yep.
Everything in Portugal is with vinegar and
Not that.
olive oil.
Olive oil. Yeah. It's the base.
Perfect. This is the first time I see actually with jalapeno. I want to try a little bit on pork liver. Oh, it smells good. Oh, it's green. Let's see. So we take the onions on pork liver. Sorry, I'm using my hands because it's a lot easier. When you're filming videos, it's a lot easier to do everything with your hands. And you will not get this in your touristy restaurants in Portugal. This is like best taco I ever had in my life. Pork liver, onions, piri piri sauce. It's spicy. Delicious. Okay, but I will try. So this is Alheira from Mirandela. So inside is, I still don't know.
Chicken and pork.
No, in original Alheira there is no pork. There is game meat and bird meat. Okay, it looks like this.
Seriously?
But I don't care what's inside. All depends how it tastes.
It tastes almost the same, but more
You feel more smoke, more.
spices.
It's more fatty.
It is?
Portugal, I love you and I hate you. I love you for this delicious food. I hate you for my pork belly. Wow. Dash the dash for everything. And this is just a random cafe. We were just walking on the street and we're like, oh, we need some drink. Dom Café in Oeiras. It's the snack bar. It's not a snack bar. It's the Michelin restaurant. I will pour a little bit on
A little bit.
Alheira.
It's quite a lot.
And then I will take piri piri sauce. I. I put on my. Oh, this will be spicy, I guess. So this is Alheira with jalapeno and piri piri. Maybe this is the last video I'll make.
Good luck.
It was really bad idea. Right?
You need to survive.
This was the worst mistake to put jalapeno and piri piri on Alheira, because first of all, you don't taste Alheira. Second of all, you make the grown man cry. Ay. Whoa! My favorite dessert in Portugal.
The chocolate mousse.
Thank you. This is
Yeah, that's for me.
That's
and that's for me.
port wine, and that's
Moscatel.
Moscatel.
de Setúbal.
You say muscatel, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
How you say?
Moscatel? No,
Moscatel.
muscatel. Okay, Saud. Again?
Enjoy.
Thank you. So I have a port wine. How you drink port wine? You also shake it?
No, don't
Oh.
shake it.
I spilled port wine.
I'm trying to. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
It's not bad.
It's port wine.
This is actually compliment from owner or boss. He gave us port wine and muscatel. Muscatel.
Muscatel.
So thank you, man.
I'm already eating.
You're always eating before them. Stop eating. Videos don't work like that. You need to preserve the food in original condition before I start to talk about it.
I can fix it.
Women. So Let's start with chocolate mousse.
You are the pro.
I am the pro in chocolate mousse. First of all, it feels lighter, like just
Less cacao.
no, the weight of the spoon. It feels lighter.
Seriously.
The texture feels more like on the coast,
On the coast? Like, what do you mean with that?
like not inland, because inland chocolate mousse are
I have
More-
no idea what are you talking about. Please explain.
explain. It feels lighter. Okay, my wife is asking too much from me. This is good, and that's all what matters. Thank you. Obrigado. Best place in Oeiras. Ciao, ciao. Ciao. Oh, this was good. And owner charges only $20 for all this.
Yep.
Tiago, respect to you, man.
Thank you.
Come to Dom Café, Oeiras.
Oeiras, sim.
It's worth it. But by the way, we didn't.
But, by the way,
By the way, Oeiras is one of the most populated areas in Portugal. It's 48 square kilometers of area and 170,000 plus minus inhabitants.
okay.